It's never been easier to pick the wrong lawyer. And you think about that, well, what does that mean? To me, what that means is that you're flooded with advertisements, promotions, and just tons and tons and tons of lawyers, all who talk about the fact that they handle personal injury and or they handle trucking cases. A lot of those lawyers are the wrong lawyer. It's so easy to click on something. You go onto an ad and all you have to do is click a form, and all of a sudden, next thing you know, they're sending you a contract electronically and you've hired a lawyer. Although it's easy to pick the wrong lawyer, it's also easy to find out who the right lawyer is. For example, in semi cases, you can be board certified. Well, the great thing about being board certified is an independent company that is approved by the ABA, American Bar Association. They make sure that you are qualified to be board certified. That means you've had to have experience handling semi-tractor trailer cases. You have to have the knowledge, you have to know that area of law. And so, the last time I looked, there was around 60 attorneys in the whole country that are board certified. And so I think it's extraordinarily important, if it's one of the biggest decisions you've ever made, that you take the time and narrow it down to the best lawyers who have the experience, have the knowledge, the resources. If they have those three things, then meet with them and figure out who you're most comfortable with. It takes a lot of money to run a tractor trailer semi wreck. And I've gone to trial and I've had $250,000 my own money in a case. And not all law firms have those resources. But if a law firm doesn't have that, then they may be hesitant to invest the money in the case. And I think so knowledge, experience, and resources are extraordinarily important when picking a lawyer to handle a semi-truck case. And I think the size of the firm in and of itself doesn't matter. It's how you're treated within that firm structure. You know, if you look at Craig, Kelley, and Faultless reviews, you're going to see people who say, they care about me. They meet with me and my family. They talk to us, they return our telephone calls. They make me feel comfortable. I mean, if you're going to pick somebody with the worst time of your life, shouldn't you feel comfortable? Shouldn't you like the people you're working with? People pick Craig, Kelley, and Faultless because they know we'll work hard, we're board certified. We have the knowledge, but also we have the money to bankroll the cases. If you or someone you know has been involved in a serious wreck or lost a loved one due to someone else's carelessness, call Craig, Kelley, and Faultless.